Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to change the map type on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to open up Maps, and here in the top right, you can see this little map symbol, and here we can change our map type. The first type is Explore, which is what we're using now. It makes it very easy to find different things. That's why it's called Explore. So there's no satellite imagery, so you can easily find streets and other places of interest. There's Driving. So while you're driving, you can see traffic that's on the streets, any crashes or anything that you want to avoid. And then there's Transit. Transit is used for things like buses and trains, things like that. And then finally, there's Satellite. And that is how you change the map type on the iPhone 13 Pro.